Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we are reacting to Ylvis. This is the electric car with a train horn. This was a coffee request. Thank you so much guys for supporting. This is a video that was suggested and requested by Jon, and Jon says, here's some Ylvis. They are trying to... Wait, actually that's the previous one. Here is a prank of Ylvis. The third guy in the video is their sidekick, Kalle Halevange Larsen, who is also a Norwegian comedian. I hope you enjoy these. I am currently thinking of some other artists to introduce to you. Time will show. Have a nice day. Jon. Thank you so much, Jon. And guys, if you want to help Jon discover or find out which artist from Norway that you guys should show me and introduce me, let me know in the comments down below, you know, just to refresh Jon's memory. And also, if you want to request a video of your own, use this link. And let's go straight to Ylvis
Du kjenner
prank.
sikkert til problemet. Du sitter i en elbil. Du kjenner sikkert til problemet. Du sitter i en elbil, men fløyten lager alt for lite lyd. Dette har vi løst i dag. Vi har montert en stor fløyte på.
Are there subtitles for this? Oh, okay. I was watching this with no subtitles. I was like, when is this gonna... how am I gonna understand
Du
this?
kjenner sikkert til problemet. Du sitter i en elbil, men fløyten lager alt for lite lyd. Dette har vi løst i dag. Vi har montert en stor fløyte på en liten bil.
Wow. So it's a small car. When they said electric car, I was thinking like Tesla or... Not necessarily a small one.
No. Yeah.
Wow. Such a small car. Nobody was expecting it to have such a loud horn. It's because back then electric cars were not, you know, as big and potent as they are these days.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. Poor guy. Oh, that's a girl. Poor woman. Poor guy. He's gonna jump. He's gonna throw his stuff away. Oh no! He did not flinch. She, on the other hand... I bet that Ylvis cannot get away with it today because they're so famous, but back then I think they were a little bit less famous. Nah, he's gonna follow them. They actually thought a train was coming. I wonder how loud it actually is. Okay, so by the looks of it, they did another video together. I think maybe a music video or something. Anyways, guys, that was fun. It's not really possible to like fathom the sound, how loud it is, because on post it sounds not that loud, but I'm sure that in person, just imagine like a train horn and you'll see how loud it actually was. So that's why people were jumping. As I said, man, pranks back in the day, they were much more this is from 10 years ago, mind you. Back in the day, pranks were harmless and, you know, they were just funny. Nowadays, people are, they don't know what prank means. Nowadays, people just do crazy stuff. But you gotta give it to Ylvis for being very creative with their pranks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for requesting this video. Thank you guys for the support. If you want to request another video, the link is over here. But be careful when you request a video. There might be someone who has already requested. So look at the requests that were requested before you request one. I've said that so many times. But anyways, take care now. Bye-bye. See you on the next one. Now you can get full access to exclusive content, special reactions to shows, series, anime, full movies, and even request a video of your choice. Just become a YouTube member or join Buy Me a Coffee today. Find out more, the link is in the description.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right.